Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you why is my hot schedule not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in hot schedule, and then once it loads, tap on the app, and once you're inside the app, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you're facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Here, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the HotSchedules app. Let me just assume this photo room app is the HotSchedules app, and once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says upload app. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, what that does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which are present in the app that might be causing the issues that you're facing. Once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that will fix the problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.